Angry residents storm Kangpokpi police station as Kuki Revolutionary Army cadre dies in custody. Muslim girl mysteriously found dead at Wabugai. And women vendors protest against restriction on vending at Khairamban. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Enraged people storm and attack Kangpokpi police station after a cadre of Kuki Revolutionary Army KRA died in the police custody. According to police, the deceased has been identified as Thangboy Lawum from Kangpokpi. Thangboy was handed over to Kangpokpi police station after the Assam Rifles arrested him yesterday. He was found dead today inside the Kangpokpi police station. The locals alleged that he died after excessive torture by the Assam Rifles in their custody. After hearing the news of Thangboy's death, angry residents of Kangpokpi stormed the Kangpokpi police station. They also pelted stones at the police station. The body remains unclaimed. The protesters blocked roads and burned tires demanding justice in the alleged custodial death of Thangboy. An 18-year-old girl was mysteriously found dead inside a fish pond of Irong Salam Macha fish farm under Wabugai constituency of Kakching district around 8 a.m. today. Reportedly, the deceased has been identified as Khulakpam Washima of Yairipok to Lihal Mayalikai. A forensic science team arrived at the scene and brought the body at Janim's mortuary. Meanwhile, a team of Manipur Police Investigative Unit Force for Crime Against Women, Imphal West, led by Additional Superintendent of Police Ratan Ngasepam, examined the spot. A case has been registered at Mayang Imphal Police Station over the incident. It is learned that Washima was pursuing her first semester in arts at the Maharaj Bodhachandra College, Imphal. Some persons who came to the site to collect grass spotted her body. Talking to reporters, the deceased's elder brother, K.H. Ikram, said that last night after dinner, her sister went to her aunt's place in the same locality and was there till around 10 p.m. He said they thought she might have been eloped until she was found dead today. He suspected that her sister was raped and murdered.
Ngarang numilang si koi chaksa gapung nipan tagi yum dei thoki ni koi da tumba tu ga si ayuk sumaina rung da si boin leram mari leina pa authority na asi ba ji langla lamjin asumba tu puthokiyo haina haijar.
Meanwhile, a man was found dead near PK store at New Bazaar, Churachandpur. The body was recovered by the police and kept in Churachandpur District Hospital, pending post-mortem. Sources believe he died of accidental drug overdose. Condemning Imphal Municipal Corporation's recent order to permit street vending at Khairamban Market from 5 a.m. till 9 a.m. daily, a large number of women street vendors today staged a protest and blocked the roads leading to Thangal Bazaar, Alugali and southern lane of temporary market set Imphal. A scuffle broke out between the women protesters and cops who were trying to control them. The cops later used smoke bombs to disperse the protesters. One of the protesters fainted at the spot. The protesters chanted slogans like "Allow street vendors to sit at Khairamban Market, don't snatch away the rights of street vendors." Sahida Begum, a street vendor who was taking part in the protest, said that street vendors come to the Khairamban Market to earn daily bread and butter for their families and for providing education to their children. She drew the attention of IMC to review the decision considering their plight. She also condemned the notice issued by IMC on 16th of this month, allowing only 4 of vending at Khairamban Bazaar.
hingmin se jamin thamin se har gadi ekoi stipender pham bi ong mache phaman bi on si chana le min se ai gi isa mai ma cha le se tam hale se ma pung phana tamin han chi maram chara ni om chum le nga on chen le le min se gi pa ba puk chara tan bai khoi hauji chara hen bi timing jok chale numit kya ni pha chale si su ji kari tawre hauji emission matam moi le lai lai bangam chalak tre min chan mangam chalak tre khoi ji karai de gi taw gani khoi di lai ra ma cha mu oi ro min isa hai bi lai ro bani na ai khatana te miam pun ma macha machu lai bang haktan si kari no khoi gi apa ba hai bu maram chara ni om chum stipender pham han biu.
Demanding the government to implement 7 pay commission under University Grant Commission UGC, the members of Federation of Government Teachers Association FEGOCTA today staged a protest at the premises of DM College of Science, Imphal. Talking to reporters at the venue, FEGOCTA General Secretary Dr. N. Somarindru said that an ultimatum demanding the same was submitted to the state government on 20th of this month. He added, though the state cabinet has approved the demand, the final approval is yet to be given till then. Somendro also said that FEGOCTA is all set to take up a series of agitations, including relay hunger strike, until the government meets the demand.
अखोइना गवर्नमेंट दा थाजाबा थंबा दो याम जेन्युइन ओइबा अदुगा मरम चाबा पोरमा एजुकेशन तौद्रिङै थबकसि तौदबसिना मरम वर्गा ओजासिंगदे नुंगाइतबा साउनिंगबसि फावी अदुना हदा मुक्ति अखोइगी रिटर्न एक्सपीरियंस अथवा बारबल एक्सपीरियंस से पीबसे अखोइ यारोय अदुगा अखोइगी तालिबा डिमांड 7 यूसी पेसी अदुगा यूसी रेगुलेशन 18 सी कैबिनेट अथु मतमदे अप्रूवल तौबियु अदुगा मदुगी इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑर्डर से थोपियु अदुगा अखोइ मखा ताना करिगुंबा सिगी सि तौरक्ता तारगदी अखोइ सीरीज ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट अदुम चथगनी.
Adding a feather in their cap, Imphal West District Police successfully averted a series of bomb blasts in Imphal city, arresting an overground worker OGW for the proscribed pre-park pro along with 4 powerful explosives. The arrested has been identified as Sapam Romi alias Mocha Singh, aged 40 years, of Singzamai Mayang Bamlekai, Imphal. A police report said that on receiving a reliable information about movement of some underground members in Singzamai Mayang Bamlekai area, a combined team of commando and Singzamai police led by Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Amarjit Lamabam and Sub-Divisional Police Officer Bidyavati Thingbhaizam rushed to the area and conducted a swift cordon and search operation in the area, which led to the arrest of Sapam Romi. While searching his house, the police team also recovered 4 Chinese hand grenades, 5 detonators and a mobile handset. Upon interrogation, it came to light that the pre-park pro overground worker was arrested by the police in 2012 for helping KCPMC and later in 2019. He was also involved in hurling of bombs and extortion for pre-park pros fund under the command of one Wangzam Premchan of Singzamai Vaikomlikai. Romi was later handed over to Singzamai police station for further action. Acting on a team of Kaching Commando Unit under the supervision of Superintendent of Police, Kaching District arrested 2 cadres of band PLA yesterday. They were identified as Lorembam Abung Sana alias Koingang of Phaknung and Lairan Lakpam Poli Singh of Phaknung Makhalikai. The police team also seized 39 live rounds of 9mm pistol from their possession. According to a police report, on receiving a reliable information that some PLA cadres were present in and around Kaching area and that they were secretly visiting an educational institution there for extortion, the police team conducted a random frisking and checking near Kaching Higher Secondary School, BSR Road, Kaching, during which Abung Sana was arrested. Upon interrogation, it was learned that he had been an active cadre of the outfit since 2017, working under the command of sales style Major Rashikanta of the same outfit. Later, Police Singh was arrested in an immediate follow-up action by the team. The arrested along with the seized weapons were later handed over to Kaching Police Station for further legal action. The protest by Sai trainee remains unabated. Players and guardians protested at Nupilal complex today against the move of the centre to cancel weightlifting, wushu, fencing, swimming from Sports Authority of India Side Training Centre, Kumalampak. A scuffle broke out between the police and the protesters who tried to take out the protest rally towards the Chief Minister's bungalow. Police also snatched away the placards from the protesters. The protesters later staged a rally which ended at Side Training Centre, Kumalampak.
Union Sport Secretary on Lapiramba Sir Radesham Jolaniana Hydba Schemasical Talaga Autoboto Hongtoba Amadi event Karamana Katapa Smina Tambirame Hydba Tawonse Manipur Power Sport Powers Harga Smina Tobiraga Chanara Foundation or Sai SG Kumalabaki Mapamze Pull of Kani Wapamze Toyaksang Sonia and the Chanara Moina.
As a part of the campaign on Pariksha Parva 2.0, a state-level orientation cum sensitization program on the issue of examination stress among students was held today at the multipurpose hall of the State Council of Educational Research and Training (SCRT). The program was organized by Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) in collaboration with National Commission for Protection of Child Rights and SCRT Manipur. Taking part in the program, Commissioner of School Government of Manipur T. Ranjit Singh said that parents, guardians, principals and teachers need to find out alternative ways to relieve students from exam pressure.
That itself will make a lot of tension to the students. I don't know how to do Mama Mapana. I pray for the Vida was asking us to headmaster, headmaster, the money was asking us to Pazana. From the community, I do the some sort of a brown because the letter money top that the kid okay. I will sing the do
As a part of Atal Innovation Mission that aims at nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship among students across India, an Atal Tinkering Lab was inaugurated today at Fancier Higher Secondary School, Thawal Wangataba under NITI Ayog. The function was held at the multipurpose hall of the school. Thawal District Deputy Commissioner and Bandana, Manipur Technical University Vice Chancellor Laifrakpam Tombi Singh, Izu Life India Director Thokchon Sanju and Fancier High Secondary School Principal O. Ibohulbi attended the function. DC Bandana underlined on the need of young students to have sound knowledge on science and technology, for which the center has initiated Atal Tinkering Lab for educational institutions across the country.
Tinkering Lab asisina choba adumbo wakhan singdugi akoi kenoda thabak to thurana ba aduga pikliba angang singsibu tung koiba matamda moise choba akoi yamna aphawa scientist yamna aphawa entrepreneur aduga inventor mayam ama oibagi angang singsibu yamna shape tabada angang singsibu yam phazana guide tabada lab ni masi schools da thambase school sigisu yamna akoi keno torobani yam grateful oiba thaba amani idu life the grateful.
A joint meeting of various Kuki civil society organizations of Kangpopi district under the aegis of Kuki NP Sadar Hills Kangpopi district decided to impose a blanket ban on poppy cultivation and other drugs in the district with immediate effect in support of the government's mission to eradicate the practice of illegal poppy cultivation in the state. The meeting was attended by representatives of Kuki NP Cycle Gamkai, Kuki NP Moltam Lang, Kuki NP Tuivul Lang, Kuki NP Tuilang Lang, KSO Sadar Hills and other units. The meeting also urged the state government to come up with an alternative means of livelihood for poppy cultivators at the earliest. Longkumei, a traditional ritual of Rongmei Kabui community, was performed today at Longsai Kabui Chingkao Booth of None district. More than 700 people of Longsai village participated in the auspicious traditional program, seeking the blessings of the Almighty for peaceful coexistence, prosperity, good health and abundance of life. It was organized by the Longsai Village Authority, performing Ho Huang, presentation of cultural songs and dances, sharing of gospel sermon and games and sports were the main highlights of the event. Talking to media persons, village elder Kamai Muding Pao stated that the practice of Lungkumei, known as Longsai Chingkao Booth, has been practicing since time immemorial to pray for good life of the villagers. According to the practice, the people of the village perform Longkumei ritual every year on 28th of January, known as Ringaibo.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯣꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯒꯥꯟ ꯄꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯀꯨꯝꯂꯒ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯁꯛꯂꯒ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯇꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯃꯛꯅꯤ.
The Rongmei Naga Youth Organization Manipur RNYOM has expressed displeasure over alleged misuse of power and authority against the general public on several occasions by the Superintendent of Police None District, PJ Singh said. IPS. In a statement, the organization said the people of None and many want a new SP for the district at the earliest. It said that the traffic in and around None district headquarters has remained unchecked for a couple of years now, thereby causing death and injuries to commuters. Vehicular movement and speed along National Highway 37 has not been maintained due to absence of a police outpost, it said. This statement said that the district SP has neglected several inter-village dispute cases resulting in numerous instances of violence and clashes. Several social organizations have unanimously decided to approach the relevant authority to sort out the problem, it said. The organization appealed to the government to transfer SP Singh from None and rope in a new public-friendly officer and warn of agitation in case the authority fails to address the public grievances. Universal Friendship Organization UFO Jiribam Sorok Atingbi Kunau observed its 23rd Rising Day today at UFO Headquarters No. 2 Complex. Pradhan L. Somarendra of Hilghat Gram Panchayat President of UFO Western Headquarters No. 2 S. Jadhop Meite, President of Ina Thogalup Jiribam Hemanta Mangang and member of Hilghat Gram Panchayat and Suchitra Devi attended the function.
Mamangi Kungataba, Mamangi Kungaporaga, Matangi Sigi, Matangi Labisisu, Hilda JCB, Hilda Tatabosura lady, although Hilda kissing a sea, Loragadi, paying the guitar singer, Turin Hobogila Bisisu, Hogi, Uyogi, Ozasi, Amasu is in announcing Ram Pulaga, as in Labisis heavy, but I'm a thing from Bio Hainahana, Hilda Pansai, Tim Magidi Hajari.
The CC School Friends today organizes second Felicitation Come Inspiring Award Presentation Function 2020 at the auditorium of CC High Secondary School, Imphal. Education as Director Th. Kiran Kumar, former principal of the school Th. Priyojit Singh, retired zoology lecturer of school Y. Ibemhul and present principal of CC High Secondary School S. Indrani Devi shared the dais on the occasion. This second edition of a souvenir was released at the function. Floral tributes were offered to the photographs of departed teachers of the school. Simple gifts were presented to topper students and others who brought laurels to the school. Commemorating the 28th birthday of Irom Roser, who was shot to death along the Imphal Airport Road in a road rage in March 2011, the Irom Roser Memorial Trust, State Blood Cell, National Health Mission and Department of Transfusion Medicine Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS today jointly conducted a voluntary blood donation camp at the Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS Lamphilpad. Talking at the occasion, mother of late Roser, Irom Chitra, said that her son loved to help people in times of their difficulties.
Roser do akogi kathokpa amadi mayangi kanagumba magi mateng pangbachi am pamgaleba magi neserda aduiduna khoina awaba I phangdabagi awaba leiba eni layengba lakpa kangbuda kaji khajiktang orsu mateng piba ngamna bhaina ngasi Magi mapong misda mana pamjaramba mating pangba tingbang ba haibdo adu kitang phangadra ina khoina blood donation camp se tawjabani.
The death toll in China due to coronavirus rose to 106 today as the country continued to impose restrictions on travel to curb its spread. As per media reports, China's National Health Commission said the number of confirmed cases now stood at 4,515, up from 2,835 in a day. 3 Indian men who came from China on Monday have been admitted to the Ram Manohar Lohia RML Hospital, Delhi. Medical superintendent of the hospital said they walked into the hospital on their own with symptoms of cold and cough. which is similar to the coronavirus outbreak. Also, a Tadio resident in Mumbai and a Pune resident are among 5 in Maharashtra who are in a quarantine ward on suspicion of novel coronavirus. In Kerala, over 430 people, most of whom returned from Wuhan province, are under observation. Meanwhile, about 45 Indian medical students at Jianghan University School of Medicine in Wuhan, who are stranded in their hostels, have sought immediate help from Indian authorities. Countries across the world are scrambling to detect and control the virus as authorities try to evacuate their nationals from China. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, as Bharti stormed into her maiden Australian Open semi-final today with 7-6, 6-2 win over Petra Kvitova at Melbourne Park. The 23-year-old became the first Australian woman to reach the semi-finals at Melbourne Park since Wendy Turnbull in 1984. She will play 14th-seeded American Sophia Kenin for a place in the final, reports said. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Angry residents storm Kangpopi police station as Kuki Revolutionary Army cadre dies in custody. Muslim girl mysteriously found dead at Wabugai. And women vendors protest against restriction on vending at Quairamban. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.